Hello my friends, welcome to my tutorial. Today's tutorial. Hope you are all fine. And for today's tutorial, I want to show you how to fix your Google app which keeps on stopping. I want to show you how to fix this error which you meet for sometimes when you try to open your Google app. It always keeps on stopping or not responding. But before I enter to my tutorial, let me congratulate everyone. I'll display some of you who have participated from my previous tutorial through comments, through likes. As you can see, many of you have participated, and I give you thanks. Thanks so much. Continue with the same spirit. Continue commenting, liking and sharing to your friends. To the new members who are watching the first time this channel, please subscribe to my channel. And the tutorial today is, if you are experiencing some of this problem where your Google app, when you launch it, when you want to open it, it keep on stopping, and you want to solve this problem, I give you some of the procedures you can take to troubleshoot this issue. With your hardware phone, you just open your phone settings as usual. You go to your phone settings, then you tap settings to open. Tap it to open. You scroll down your phone, scroll down to apps, then open apps, then scroll down to your Google app. You tap on it to open. After opening it now, you are supposed to clear data and cache. First you click on storage, then clear cache. You tap on clear cache. After clearing cache also, on the other side, you tap on manage storage. On managing storage, you tap on clear all data. Tap here to clear all data, like this. Tap to clear all data of your Google app. Another step, you can look at the app again. Go to settings, open the app, the Google app. You tap to open it. Then on the three dots, the upper part, you can see the three dots. You tap on them to uninstall the new update. Maybe the app has some new updates which are supposed or which are causing the app to bring the error of not responding. So you have to uninstall the updates. So you click uninstall updates. This one, it will take your app, or the app will remain with the factory version. So all the new updates which you've been updating the app will be removed. So you click OK to uninstall the updates. From there, you update now through Google Play Store. So with your phone, you go to Google Play Store, then you search Google app. It is Google app. Tap on Google app, you search it, then it is this one on Play Store, Google. You see it will give you an option to update. So you automatically click on update for you to update the app. Tap it to update. As you can see, it is updating, so you have to wait for it to update. It is updating, so you have to wait. As you can see, it is on the process of updating, so it is almost through. That is the third step that you can take to fix the error, not responding error. When you install the app, you may know that you've solved your problem, but another option 4, which you can use to fix your error, you can go direct to the app. You go to your phone settings. If this one will not work for you, after installing the app, and then you note the app still is not responding, or it keeps on not responding, the fourth step that you can take, it is to force stop the app. You go to your settings again, you open the app, Google, you scroll down to get it, Google, then you tap on force stop. This one, when you force stop the app, this one will block all the background, the running of the app. Where it run on background, it will stop the app, and this may also help fix your problem. So you can fix on stop. For stop, if it continues showing the errors, tap on OK. And with all those 4 steps, you will have solved your problem, and your app, your Google app, will continue to work normally without this error of stopping anytime you launch it. Thank you for today. That is the simple tutorial I had for you today. I hope you have enjoyed. And if you're happy with my tutorials and you'd like to be the first to watch my tutorials anytime I post them, as you subscribe, please turn on the bell for notification. If you are my subscriber and you'd also like to be the first to watch my tutorial, you can turn on the bells, and on any time I post a tutorial, you'll be notified that I have posted a tutorial. Thank you for today. You meet again with the similar tutorial. Bye.